Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how North Korea is a country. We'll explore the fundamental criteria that define a sovereign state and how North Korea meets these. Understanding these aspects helps clarify its unique position on the global stage. We'll cover its governmental structure, its borders, and its interactions with other countries. This will give you a clear picture of its status as a nation. To be considered a country, a state generally needs a permanent population, a defined territory, and a government. North Korea clearly has a population of over 25 million people and a distinct landmass. Its government, led by the Workers' Party of Korea, maintains strict control over all aspects of society. This centralized authority ensures its internal stability and governance, fulfilling key requirements for statehood. Despite its isolation, North Korea is a member of the United Nations, having joined in 1991. This membership signifies a level of international recognition of its statehood. Furthermore, numerous countries around the world maintain diplomatic ties with Pyongyang, exchanging ambassadors and engaging in various forms of bilateral relations. This demonstrates that a substantial portion of the global community acknowledges North Korea as a sovereign entity. While North Korea meets the technical criteria for statehood, it faces significant international challenges. Extensive economic sanctions, imposed by the UN and individual countries, severely limit its economic growth and access to global markets. Its nuclear weapons program also creates ongoing tensions and diplomatic hurdles. However, its status as a country remains undeniable based on established international law. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other helpful items.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.